beauty back to your screens again. So guys, this is the final product of my hair. And it's actually maroon in color. So guys, just know things have not been easy. Merry Christmas first of all to all of you. I know you're going to be hearing a lot of background noise. It just stopped raining, which is such a blessing. Some cooking is being done, some Christmas cooking for, Christmas things is being done in the kitchen. The reason why I'm not participating is, guess what? Who has two thumbs and has the ability to fall sick on Christmas Day? This girl right here. Guys, as I'm speaking to you right now, you know where I'm just coming from? Where I'm just coming from? From the hospital. Guys, you heard me right. Like, I don't know, something was really funny. I yesterday's vlog, what, went to the salons, almost spent like the whole day there just getting this hair done. I'm in love with the final product, the color, everything. Came back home. Sleeping time, sleeping time. I was so anxious for Christmas. Then around 5, I woke up with this sharp, piercing pain, like in the lower stomach, like the lower part of the stomach, like so the sharp, piercing pain. And this, I usually get this pain. There's an explanation behind it, trust me. There's an explanation behind pain. I know it's already. I have gotten this pain before. Went for a scan, so I know the reason. So finally the pain came back. It last came October 2020. So I've spent some good time without getting it, and now it's coming on Christmas Day. So at 5 I woke up, sharp piercing pain, blah blah blah. Usually when I get that pain, I wake anyone up in the middle of the night, whether it's 1 a.m, 2 a.m, whatever. They have to take me to the hospital because that pain can kill. It's just because I'm a strong girl. I've experienced it, so I know how to handle. This time it came at around 5 a.m. 5 a.m. sharp. I got the pain. I took painkiller, yes, but the painkiller, it normally takes some time to work. The painkiller for this particular pain, it takes some time to work. For headache and everything else, it can work fine, but for this pain, it takes some time. So I knew I had to wake people up to take me to the hospital because, when pain comes back and you've spent a long time without it, it feels so brand new. It feels like it's going to kill you. So protocol, I woke up my mom. I woke up my big brother. Blah blah blah. They've all like, when you're in pain, people can just mean to do things so slowly, but it seems in your mind they're doing it slowly, but in actual fact they're trying to rush it up. It's an emergency. So we left the house for the hospital at around 6 a.m. So at around 5 something I woke up. 6 a.m. we left the house in the car. Being Christmas Day, guys, things are closed and it's still just 6 a.m. Pharmacies are closed, hospitals and clinics are closed. Okay, not hospitals, but the clinics that we normally go to during such circumstances, when I get it, closed, everything in the area. And it's Christmas Day, of course, you can't expect people to be open. So by the time we're doing all that, roaming around in the car, searching for a hospital, blah, 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 the painkiller was starting to take effect, It was starting to take effect to the point where by now I could tolerate the pain a little bit. So we failed to find any hospital or pharmacy that was open at 6 a.m. Come on, guys, seriously. But good thing, the pain subsided because of the painkiller. It's such a pain, so chronic, that you can't stand, you can't sleep, and you cannot sit. So I was bending the whole time. You know the meaning of bending? I was bending ever since I woke up. I was puking my guts out, and even puking and throwing up makes it worse, So I was forced to be in a bending position because that's the only position that could allow me to tolerate the pain a bit. So when we're in the car roaming around, the painkiller was taking effect. So now I could sit. At first I was sleeping on my mother's laps. So now I could sit on my own. Yeah, I could sit and what. After about 10 minutes of us roaming and but we roamed. We really roamed with the car for like some good 30 minutes trying to look for any clinic or pharmacy that would, help us, because it's an urgent situation. So, failing to find, I was feeling a little bit better. Then I said, you know what, let's just come home. Then my big brother will order the drugs. He will order the drugs from a pharmacy because it's probably an infection. The last time I had this, it was an infection that had me, and it made that exact same pain to come. So he ordered the drugs and whatnot. Oh no, he has just ordered them, by the way. But I'm home now. We got home at around 6:30, 6:40, coming to 7. So I went back to sleep. My mother went back to sleep. My big brother went back to sleep. I woke up at 10 feeling fine. Actually, I'm good. Not that good, but I'm strong, I'm strong. I'm good. So I woke up, what? I washed clothes on Christmas Day, guys, as I'm speaking. I washed clothes because, there were few. I wanted them out of the laundry basket. So I washed the clothes. I know, but I can't stand for long, but I can do my duties still. I can do my duties very, very well. It's just I'm scared of the pain being provoked again and coming back. As I'm waiting for the drugs to come, I told you guys it has just finished raining, so my big brother will order them later and they'll be delivered. So guys, this has just been Christmas. Christmas is fire. It's not boring. It's nice. You're going to see a few clips here and there. It's nice. Christmas is nice. It's just the ability of me falling sick. My god, on Christmas Day, only me can do it. Only me can do it. So guys, I need your prayers. I know the reason why I'm getting these pains. I just need your prayers, and that is all. Merry Christmas to you guys. As you can see, I'm sitting behind my tree. My decorations are somewhere up there. So Vlogmas was nice. It was nice. Shooting content, filming content is my favorite thing ever. I love it, but it came with its challenges. But I thank God for bringing me to the 25 days safely, and me finishing the 25 days safely. All of you who did Vlogmas, you guys, we're all champions because we know the ups and downs we went through. So this is marking the end of Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, whether you're a new subscriber, returning subscriber. Just thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all. Now we're going to be going back to hopefully a much more consistent schedule of posting. Vlogmas has taught me a lot. Consistency really matters, and it really helps. You might not see it right away, but it does. So thank you guys so much. This has been your girl MC, ending Vlogmas on 25th and telling you this short story time of how me, I'm not okay, but I'll be fine with y'all's prayers. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your Christmas. Merry Christmas to all of you, and Happy New Year. See you guys soon. Merry Christmas, guys, and more is coming.
Some food to our neighbors. So come with me and see how it turns out. Don't want to trip.
Wait, don't move fast. Some of us, we have problems ever since morning. I'm following this guy. It's as if he's moving too fast, but for sure it has rained, guys. Just keep quiet. You hear the music? Jamal, why are you like that? Don't go too fast. Oh, that place is too wet. It's too wet. Okay. So guys, we have 2 neighbors to deliver to. Which one are you going to? Okay, so let me go this side.
Guys, it's raining, but it's a blessing. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you have a good one. Enjoy it.